Hi everybody, it's Ronnie again.
Hello everybody. We're here for another fun activity today. We have the magic tracks. I know you're gonna love this one. So we're gonna unbox these magic tracks, and Rami wanted to play with this for the longest time. All right, so just a quick word about what's inside the magic tracks box. Okay, Rami?
Yes.
Yeah, it has different components. Apparently, it's compatible. Obviously, you can buy other sets and put them together, so which is nice. We can make a big magic tracks. Okay. Inside, they have a car, and they have a multi-function remote control. They have all the.
I have my remote control.
Oh, you have your own? Well, that's good.
And you have yours.
Awesome.
You have yours.
So, yeah, and did you know? And did you know that this?
No, I have my car and my remote too.
Beautiful. But did you know the tracks? But did you know the tracks can bend, flex, and glow? Did you know that, Rami?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fun. And then, of course, the car comes with lights, and it makes a lot of different sounds, and you can control all of that with your remote control. So you see, it also has a turbo race car button here, and the car is gonna speed like speed light. Okay. It comes with a jump ramp that we're gonna incorporate to the tracks. All right, and you just snap the pieces together. It's very easy. All right, are we gonna start this?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, so you open the box. There you go.
Thank you.
Are you done drinking?
Yeah.
Can I have some of your water?
Yeah.
All right, go. Open the box. It says that it's indicated for kids who are 3 years old and up.
I cannot
Everybody
open
loves
it.
I can play too, right? You can open it. Look. Very easy. Let's do it together. Push this up. This down. And voila. All right. Wow! Look at that.
Something else.
Yes, something else? Better be something else. The tracks. Okay, so we have green tracks. We have yellow tracks. Okay, different color. What else do we have? We have. Wow. Kind of pinkish tracks. Blue tracks. That's nice. And oh, look. We have all the little adhesives. Okay? Alright? Alright, let's do it. Let's put it together. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's open this little box here. What is this?
Remote control.
Remote control. Very good. And look at this. You got your blue color. Okay, can you help me? Alright. Now, explain what these are. Because I'm not sure I'm familiar with these things. What is this, the green one?
Means go.
Go. The red one?
Means stop.
Stop. What is this?
Speed button.
The speed, the turbo button? Very nice. What about this one? What does it do, you know?
Backwards.
You go backwards, the car goes backwards. And these little yellow buttons here, what is it?
Sound.
The sound. Oh, so the car is going to make sounds? That's cool.
Sound.
Okay, the song has a song. What about the others, you know?
It's a feet.
Oh, wow, nice. So you have
It's
lights,
a horn.
the horn, and the lights. That's, wow, this is amazing. All right, Rami, let's start to put the tracks together. You believe it, this is going to glow in the dark. It's going to be like magic glowing, you know? The fun part is that you can customize your Speedway. You see, we put the tracks together. You're going to snap them together as you like. All right, so let's put these two colors together, okay? How do you like it? Look. It bends, it flexes. Look at this. Very nice. All right, the next one is going to be the yellow. Boom, together. Now we're going to put a green. And so forth. You see how easy it is? Even Papa can do it. Okay, when we start again, the next color is pink. Then we're going to put one of the blues. All right, and then later on, we are going to insert the jump ramp, okay?
Okay.
All right. ready.
Not yet, Papa. It's not done yet.
Close the last pieces.
We need this. And the car goes down
Yeah.
there, right?
Yeah.
And it goes all the way.
Boom. And boom. The last thing that we have to do is to put the batteries. And luckily enough, let me check in my pocket. Let's see. Wow, I have just the right amount of batteries. Look at that. We have the screwdriver, and we're gonna put the batteries in our car, okay? And remote control. And one more thing, we have to pair the remote with the car, right? So we can control it. All right. So the last thing to do is to pair the remote with the car. So turn the remote on. Very good. And now we turn the car on, and we should hear. So, wow, are you ready to race? Okay, we put it in the on the tracks. Show us, Remy. Go. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, big jump. How about some noise? Wow, right on. What about the horn? The horn? Beep, beep, beep. Nice. What about the turbo? Whoa, look at that. Oh, it's falling off the table. Quick, quick. Take it in. The corner over there. Okay, we have to put it on the floor. Alright, so the last thing that we do is we're putting the switch because we bought 2 race tracks boxes, and so we put the switch, right, so that we can attach the 2 race tracks together, the 2 speedways.
Yes, great.
Alright, here we go. Oh, accident, accident. I'm catching up with you. Woo! Wow! I'm catching up with you. Alright, so let's try this in the dark and let's see if it glows, okay? Here I come. We got almost an accident. Here I come. I'm putting my turbo now. I'll catch up with you. Look at me, to the turbo, you see? You better gear up. Look at that. Big jump, big jump. You stopped me?
Yeah.
That's no why. Woo! It's going, it's going. I'm catching up with you. Look at that, look at that. Okay, let's stop. Oh, you're catching up with me. You are? I run away. I run away. No. Push me. There you go. Can you push me on the run? Thank you.
Papa?
Yes.
I'll catch you next time
All right, show me.
with the speed.
I'll take on the challenge. Go.
I'm catching up.
catch up with you if you don't move. And here I come. Out of my way, out of my way. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.